Hi there, Maria here from KUHN RIKON. Today I'm going to go into some real detail about how to maintain your pressure cooker. So the KUHN RIKON Duromatics are fantastic quality. They are all Swiss made, and the body, so everything that is stainless steel on the main body and the lid, will last you 50 years or so, decades we're talking, if properly cared for. And all of the parts are replaceable. So every few years, you might see some wear and tear on a particular part, and that individual part you can purchase on our website. Okay, so the final replacement parts that you can purchase and that you can replace would be the handles of the lid and the handles of the base. Previously, I'd been working on the inox to show you all the valve replacements. I'm just going to show you this on our Neo range, but it's very much the same story. For this, you're going to take your gasket out. You only need a screwdriver. And it is very straightforward in that you're just going to loosen the screws of the handle. Now, the little blue buttons that you see here, these are sold separately. So if you do need new ones of those, they will be sold slightly separately. So if you buy a new handle, don't assume that the blue button is going to come with it. It's separate. Okay. So that is how the handle comes off. Okay, you've got your two screws there. Boop, boop. Oh. Obviously, all these parts, just be careful. You've got to keep them. Don't lose them when you're doing all of this work. And I just want to show you one quick thing, which is these are sold separately. Okay. And also, when you are placing the new handle back in, it is very much that the handle takes the locking mechanism and then that goes in. We sometimes have cases of people trying to reassemble by placing the spring this side and it won't fit, obviously. Also, having said that, there is a bit of a specific shape to the blue locking mechanism. And you'll see, if I had enough hands, there's quite a specific shape. I would call it a smiley face. So you've just got to line those up when you're replacing. And once you've got them lined up, then your screws will fit very nicely. Like that. And like that. And you can use your screwdriver again to secure. You would replace your valve housing. You could then pop your gasket back in and get ready to cook for years to come.